dito sa Senado, kaya nating magkasundo. In fact, all of the laws I myself have championed could not have passed without the support of those from across the political aisle. And I refuse to believe that this institution that has crafted laws for the most marginalized, that has conducted crucial investigations, that have moved the needle at various political junctures, is beyond repair or redemption. Let us remember, Mr. President, that we have a bicameral legislature with a Senate elected at large, precisely to have a body that can rise above parochial concerns and craft a vision for the entire nation. At kaya kong sabihin ng buong puso that this Senate has, at its best, shown that disagreement does not destroy our common duty. We have passed laws across party lines. That is why we cannot act as though nothing happened last week. Alam natin ang tama at mali. Alam natin kapag sumosobra na. And this is what our country needs from us now. For the Senate, in this difficult hour, to reflect the best of our people. May we prove worthy of the trust that our people have placed in us. Marami pong salamat sa inyo at sa lahat, Mr. President.
Before I recognize Senator Pia and Senator Marcoleta, you know, the curious thing is the prayer of Senator Kiko and the prayer of former Senate President Tito Soto yesterday. We all agree with it. We're just looking at it from different sides of the political lens. And many of your statements today, Senator Risa, many of us, if not all, agree. But we all won't agree that parang walang nangyari. I don't know where that came from because I don't think anyone is treating it trivially. It's just a matter of how we can focus on it given that there is a real economic crisis, crisis of prices, oil crisis. Our stock is running out. We're convening into an impeachment court. You know, our staff are overwhelmed by the number of investigations, by the number of subpoenas that are here. They're asking us to produce so many things while we're also doing our own. So while we will agree with you and let's discuss later on which committee, I do not think anyone is acting as if parang walang nangyari. Senator Pia or Senator Marcoleta?
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, may I ask if Senator Risa would yield to a few questions?
Can we take a minute suspension? Session is resumed. Before we ask the Majority Leader and Senator Marcoleta their pleasure, may I request from the members, I told the
Before
Minority
we
Leader, the former
ask
Senate
the
President, that
Majority Leader and
this is an
Senator
emotional
Marcoleta
issue,
their pleasure, may
not
I
only for us, but
request
for the whole country,
from the
given
members,
this is the Senate of the Philippines.
I told the Minority
And
Leader,
it's a
the former
sensitive
Senate
issue
President,
because
that
there are words
this
that
is
have
an
been used.
emotional
That's why I
issue,
have tried to be deliberate.
not only for
Not
us,
only
but for the whole
partial
country,
investigation,
given this
but
is the Senate of the
independent. Wait
Philippines.
for every,
And it's a sensitive issue
investigation
because
to come
there are
in.
words that
Now,
have been
many
used.
members
That's why
of the
I have
majority
tried to be
who were
deliberate.
here
Wait
want to
not only
speak
for a
on that
partial
matter.
investigation, but
Having said that,
independent.
number
Wait for
one,
every
we have athletes here and
investigation
we
to
want
come
to
in.
today.
Now, many
Number
members
two,
of the majority
I was
who
about
were
to
here
report this,
want to
that the
speak
Senate
on that
Pre- as Senate
measure.
President, I respectfully
Having
inform
said
the
that,
body that
number
earlier
one,
today,
we have athletes
20
here and I don't want to keep them here the whole day.
summons related to-
Number
in
two,
relation
I was
to the
about to
articles of
report
impeachment
this,
filed against
that the
VP
Senate,
Sara
as Senate
Duterte
President, I
was
respectfully
duly
informed the
served
body that earlier
upon
today,
Respondent Vice President
20 May
Sara
2026,
Z.
the summons
Duterte.
related
A copy
to,
of the summons
in relation
is
to the
likewise
articles of
furnished to the
impeachment filed against VP
Prosecution
Sara
Panel on the same
Duterte
day.
was
Under the
duly
applicable
served
rules, respondent
upon
is given
Respondent
10
Vice
calendar
President
days from service of
Sara
summons,
Z. Duterte. A
within
copy
which
of the
to
summons
file
was
her
likewise
answer
furnished to
and
the
counting 10
prosecution
calendar
panel on the
days
same date.
from 20
Under the
May
applicable rules,
2026.
respondent is given 10
The last
calendar
day would
days from
ordinarily
service
fall
of
on
summons
Saturday, 30 May
within
26.
which to file her
However, since the
answer,
last day
and
falls on
counting
Saturday,
10
the
calendar
period
days
shall not run until the
from
next
20 May 2026. The last day would ordinarily fall on Saturday, 30 May 26. However, since the last day falls on the Saturday, the period shall not run until the next working day. Accordingly, the deadline for respondent to file her answer is on Monday, 01 June 2026. Furthermore, upon the prosecution panel's receipt of the respondent's answer, the prosecution shall have 5 calendar days from receipt within which to reply if they opt to do so. The deadline for the reply shall be computed from the day the prosecution actually receives the answer. I say this because we have to discuss the impeachment calendar, and the staff is ready to brief us. And if we can give this priority, because we have to discuss it vis-a-vis the legislative calendar, vis-a-vis the committees, committee hearings, and the session. So if we are going to all stand today, like Senator Tulfo and Senator Risa, we won't finish by midnight tonight because at least 3 or 4 senators from, 8 senators from the majority wants to speak on the matter. There might be, if not those who want to speak in the minority, those who want to ask questions or interpolate. So may I ask as your Senate President na magbigayan tayo today, and if you want to put a lot of time on that on Monday, we can fully discuss. I've received some request for CCTV footage. We gave it right away to PNP. We will give it to you if you request it. We're also requesting CCTV footages from anyone who took it, including from the media, so that we can discuss it very intelligently with, I think, 24 senators committing that this is an important issue and we will give it the much needed attention. But let's do it with prudence, deliberately. We're dealing with our democracy here. No? We're dealing with law enforcement agencies, AFP, PNP, NBI, with branches of government, the executive and the legislative. So I know we all want to speak on it today, but may we include in the caucus what committee to give this to. I think the Senate President will, before we go on suspension, wants to put on record his recommendation. But if I may ask him, that the actual decision, given that there are other people with other ideas, we discuss it. I don't think it's a matter that you and I should discuss, but all of us. So let me ask first, Senator Marcoleta, may I ask you if we can make a statement rather than interpolate today? Senator Risa, kung may mga gustong mag-interpolate, pwedeng sa Monday. Yeah. Senator Risa answered in the affirmative.
Yes, Mr. President, considering that I was approached by your good self just moments ago and explained the matter that there is an apparent consensus that this subject matter, also subject of Senator Risa's speech on question of privilege, I yield to the better judgment of the President of the Senate, and I will hold my questions until Monday. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Marcoleta. Thank you, Senator Risa Ontiveros. Minority Leader, may I just give